Speaking of Insta360, if you haven't heard, they just announced the Antigravity. And this is going to be the world's first, unless DJI does something crazy to pull it out and they beat the release date with their own 360 drone. But if not, and they actually get this release first, this will be the world's first 360 equipped drone for total immersive flight. And this is going to be like a mini. So this is going to be in the sub 250 gram, less than 8-ounce configuration. And it will shoot 8K, and it will have two 360 cameras, just like the Instasphere. I told you guys about that. That was something that Insta360 made for the DJI platform, and they were hoping, their original plan is that it would get more traction than it did, and then they were going to continue to make these for different existing models and future models. But it didn't really get as much traction as they wanted, so they just made the Sphere for the Air 2 and the Air 2S. That was it, and they didn't make any other future ones, probably because they put all their development money into making this anti-gravity drone. I know DJI, I've seen, like the way they dealt with GoPro, the way they dealt with 3D robotics, and the way they've dealt with a lot of other companies. They're probably doing anything and everything they can to get their 360 drone out first. Now, there's no mention of it. It's just my assumption, but I wouldn't be surprised if they come out with one really, really soon, and it'll be pretty cool. Because there's some cool shots you can get. It's kind of a little gimmicky, but it's also pretty, there are applications where you can use it. I would kind of put this in the category, well, I normally I put in the category of FPV drones, which is kind of a, special kind of niche. They're B-roll filler, and certain projects could benefit from it. But I think we're going to also start seeing a lot more on the inventory side and inspection side, because you'll be able to quickly fly through and capture the entire area all around, instead of just what the camera's seeing or just what it's grabbing. So I think we're going to see a new emergence of this technology being put to use, which is pretty cool.